Did you know that the UK government has secretly demanded Apple to create a backdoor to access encrypted iCloud data globally? This controversial move could have far-reaching implications for user privacy and digital security. Stay tuned as we dive into this and more on today's episode of the Apple Daily News. Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is February 7th, 2025, and we've got a lot to unpack. From groundbreaking robotics research to the latest updates in Apple's silicon advancements, we're covering it all. Links to every story can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with the big story making waves in the tech and privacy world. The UK government has reportedly issued a secret order under the Investigatory Powers Act of 2016, demanding Apple create a backdoor to access encrypted iCloud data globally. This unprecedented request would allow security officials unrestricted access to user data, raising serious concerns about privacy and digital security. Apple has not commented publicly, as revealing such orders is a criminal offence under UK law. However, the company is reportedly considering ceasing its encrypted storage services in the UK to uphold its commitment to user privacy. Critics argue that this move could set a dangerous precedent, potentially leading other governments to demand similar access. Privacy advocates warn that creating backdoors not only undermines user trust, but also exposes data to malicious actors. This situation highlights the ongoing tension between government surveillance and the tech industry's push for robust encryption. Now, let's shift gears to Apple's foray into robotics. Researchers from Apple have unveiled a fascinating prototype for a tabletop robot that combines functionality with expressive movements. This lamp-like robot, reminiscent of Pixar's Luxo Jr., is designed to interact with users in a more human-like manner. It can perform tasks like adjusting lighting, projecting tutorial videos, and even reminding users to stay hydrated. What sets this robot apart is its ability to convey emotions and intentions through movement, making interactions more engaging. Reports suggest that Apple aims to launch this device, potentially equipped with Siri integration, by 2026 or 2027. With an estimated price of $1,000, this innovation could redefine smart home technology by blending utility with personality. Speaking of innovation, Apple has reportedly begun mass production of its next-generation M5 processors. These chips are expected to utilize TSMC's advanced 3nm N3P fabrication process, promising improved performance and efficiency. The M5 lineup will likely include variants like M5 Pro, M5 Max, and M5 Ultra, featuring enhanced GPUs and neural processing units. Advanced packaging technologies, such as hybrid bonding, are also expected to optimize thermal performance. While the exact performance metrics remain under wraps, the M5 chips are anticipated to deliver significant upgrades over the M4 series. However, don't expect these processors to hit the market immediately, as Apple recently updated its lineup with M4 chips. The M5 generation is poised to make its debut later this year, continuing Apple's tradition of pushing the boundaries of silicon design. On a lighter note, let's talk about a quirky issue with Apple's CarPlay. Dr. Drang, a tech enthusiast, shared a frustrating experience where CarPlay suggested a trip to Whole Foods instead of his scheduled dentist appointment. This odd recommendation seemed to stem from a pattern of recent visits to the grocery store, overriding the more pressing calendar event. While CarPlay usually excels at suggesting directions based on user habits, this incident highlights occasional inconsistencies in its functionality. Dr. Drang speculated that ongoing improvements to Siri might be temporarily affecting its performance. It's a reminder that even the most advanced systems can sometimes miss the mark. Finally, let's touch on the latest updates from ONLYOFFICE. Version 8.3 of its Docs suite introduces a host of new features aimed at boosting productivity. Highlights include the ability to merge shapes across all editors, enhanced right-to-left language support, and new tools for drawing on presentation slides. The update also expands file compatibility to include Apple iWork formats, making it a versatile choice for professionals. With these enhancements, ONLYOFFICE continues to position itself as a robust alternative for collaborative document editing. That wraps up today's episode of the Apple Daily News. From privacy battles to cutting-edge robotics, and silicon advancements, it's clear that the tech world never stands still. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for more updates from the world of Apple and beyond.